please. This is our ones place and this is our tens place. You know how to write it in the expanded form. I think you all must have done in your classes. 50 plus 6. Clear?
Yeah.
So if you want to multiply it with 7, see, look on the screen now. You don't write. You just understand. Then you can go it according to the multiplication. So if you start multiplication from left to right. Am I right? But today,
But ma'am, I could not. Network bandwidth is low.
who's mine?
Able to hear you.
Is it clear? Am I audible now?
Ma'am, we're gonna start from 5 to 6, right?
Yes, we will start from the right.
Yeah, ma'am, you are audible.
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So if we are at looking at house also, whosoever is the eldest one, we wish to the person. हम किसी के घर जाते हैं जो सबसे बड़ा होता है पहले उससे नमस्ते करते हैं ना, ऐसा होता है ना? जो हमारे फ्रेंड्स होते हैं हम उनको हेलो बाद में करते हैं, पहले अंकल आंटी होते हैं या दादू दादी होते हैं पहले हम उन्हें नमस्ते करते हैं ना जाके. तो यहाँ पर अब हम नंबर्स को भी ऐसे ही ट्रीट करेंगे. Who is the largest? 5, 50, because it is sitting on the senior place, है ना? Senior place पे बैठा है वो और senior place पे है, then it's value more. So we have to start with 50. 50 into 7 is?
Yes. 50 into 7. 350.
Very good. Who has answered?
350. Nishka.
And then you have to multiply it. 7 6 are?
Forty-two.
7 6 are.
And now you can add these two numbers to get your answer.
Okay.
Slowly, slowly, when you do practice, you need not to write and think. You will just reach to your answer directly. Let me show you more examples to you. 21 into 5. So 25s are? 25s are?
42. 25 are.
100.
If you get 5 notes of 20 rupees, how much you get? If you get 20 rupees note,
100.
Very good. When the money comes in mind, then everything is clear. Because it is 20 plus 1. Okay. So if you multiply 5 into 20, it will become 100. And 5 ones are?
Yes.
And 5 ones are?
5.
100 plus 5. 100 plus 5?
And 105.
Answer?
Oh, sorry, 105.
Is it becomes easy for you to multiply?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's do one more. Kimaira, don't write on the screen, please. Or else I disable the writing here. Sometimes my students give me result, na? What do I do? But if answer doge, then I'll allow you to scribble on the screen. Okay? Okay, now.
Okay, ma'am.
52 multiply by 7. Like this, you have to write answer. Don't do it on the paper. You have to calculate here only. 750, 57s are
364.
350 plus 14, 364. Like this, you have to tell me the answer. Okay? Don't do it on the paper.
Okay.
Chaliye, quick.
Ma'am, to give us the option of annotate to write the answer.
No, I will write. You just tell me the answer.
Ma'am, it's 3 to 4.
No, sir. 37s are 210. 210 plus 14.
214. Yeah,
224.
224.
2 to 4. Ma'am, 2 to 4.
If you will
Yes,
write the
ma'am.
correct answer,
Ma'am,
then
double to
you
4.
will-
Ma'am, double to 4.
Very good.
Ma'am, please give us a little time to answer.
You have to be quick. But if you follow the technique which I told you, then only you will answer like this only. This.
Ma'am, I am following the technique, but I have to wait a little.
Okay, now do it.
405.
Very good. Now you are getting.
Yeah.
It's becoming easy for you to multiply.
Yes.
Now quick.
I'm 292.
Very good, Prashant. Very good. 74 are 280. See how they are doing it. You just understand. See, you just note down on the paper. 70 plus 3. 70 plus 3. Then you have to multiply with 4. Okay? 74s are 74s are
74 280
plus 12.
292.
So the answer will become 292. Good?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Is it clear now?
One more question.
Yes.
Yes?
One more
Yes, ma'am.
question.
One more question you want? Okay. Because you need to write me the five correct
Ma'am,
answers.
I want to scribble.
Then only you are allowed to scribble. Otherwise not. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. If you will again allow us to scribble.
Ma'am, 332. Ma'am,
I'm 332.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
double
Very good.
32.
Timaira has given me the answer. Very good. Let's do one more. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, 212.
Very good. That's like a good boy. So quick.
212.
200. Ma'am, one more.
Where is Mishka gone? I can't see her. She is here in the meeting.
Laptop.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I'm in the meeting, but my network is very slow, so I'm trying to
Are you getting my point?
Ma'am, can you give me one more?
Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
fix it.
Okay, good.
It is understood, but can you give us one more?
Yeah, I can. I can give you many more to do.
I'm 434.
434. 434.
454.
Children, I have today. We are so quick.
434.
मैंने सबसे पहले बताया था.
Very good, very good. Prashant has given the first. Good. So I'll give you one more.
Okay. 94 multiplied by
470. 470.
70.
470.
So quick.
I also
I need to
did
tell you
that.
one more trick today. Let me start with that, or you want to scribble one more time?
Scribble.
No, ma'am. I want to do one more.
I want to do